Hello everybody out there. My name is Tara Gaines and this is Plant Amateur. Today we're going to talk about this Crassula Ovata, otherwise known as the jade plant, but I don't call her any of that. I call her Olivia Newton Jade. Her and all of her babies that I got on the same day. So I only have one listing for jade in my system, but as you can see, there are plenty of little babies just growing in here. And it's totally cool, but now I'm ready to prop these guys into their own little houses, water them individually, and get them out the door. It's not that I don't love them, it's just that I could be growing other things in this container. You ready? Here they are, and here's the little containers that I'm going to put them in. Each of them have holes at the bottom, and this one is labeled as an alocasia silver dragon because I recycle and I reuse as much as I can. I only have 6 that had holes in the bottom, so I'm just going to go through here and I'm going to take the strongest 6 out of the pile, and then the other ones I think I'm going to, because they're not strong. Also, because these are jade plants, they don't need to be watered very often. So that's why I'm thinking the smaller container will be better. They're also going from this to this. Maybe I'll put, oh, I don't know. There's so many options. Let's just get them out and see what happens. I know that this one right here in the front is 100% ready. I can see its vines. I can see its roots on the bottom. Oh no, I think it was it. Oh no, it wasn't. So here's this guy, and what I'm going to try to do is just get him out and reuse the soil that's in here. Since obviously they like it, we might as well just keep using it. Ooh, I felt a rip. There is one in here that I am really curious about, and it's this lipstick plant. I snuck it in here. Lipstick gracilis, that's the one with the long root. How exciting. So far it is just this vine. It's a little bit different than the jade plant, but apparently it can grow from just a leaf. I didn't know that. So that looks like it. And this soil is like dry. Like it's, I can't believe they live like this. So we're just gonna get some soil in here. We're gonna get those roots piled in, and then we're gonna use the tiniest shovel ever to just backfill. Oh, that didn't stay in there very well. Hold on. I might have underestimated the size of these roots. They look great, but now I'm not so sure if they're all gonna fit. Note to self, in future, plant them up by themselves. Ta-da! All right, rinse and repeat. That looks like, that is a peperomia hope. I don't know what that's doing in there. But I can't believe it's growing. Look at that. Score. I thought this guy was super cool because the growth, well, okay, it did start from the ground, right? But it also just started growing straight out of some damage it had out of the top. Can you see that? It's so funny. It's just like, this looks like a good place. I'll start here. I probably shouldn't even be messing with them right now. If you think I shouldn't be messing with these plants at this stage in their life, let me know what you think below. All done with the 6, it's time to clean up. Are you ready? God, if only it was like that in real life. Time to water these bad boys in. Now, Jade doesn't really appreciate really wet environments. After all, they are a succulent. But with that being said, they are being adjusted to this new fun lifestyle outside of that humid place. Humid place, the plastic container. What I'm looking for here is I want to get them fully saturated water in. I want to make sure that there's no gaps or anything in their substrate. But I'm just taking this opportunity to see what the soil does, how it settles, if I need to get some soil back behind this big paddle. I don't know what you call that. What do you call that? What's that called in succulent world? Is it still a leaf? I don't know. Succulents aren't really my thing. My girlfriend, Olivia, not Olivia Newton Jade, but my girlfriend, Olivia, gifted me this plant. So it literally is the friendship plant. And I'm going to try to pass it on. So, fingers crossed that these all work and I can pass them along. Otherwise, I'll just have to take cuttings. Here we go, guys. Let's flash forward a few months and see how these guys turn out. Welcome back. Here's Olivia Newton Jade in all of her glory. Are these leaves? I have noticed some of the leaves dropping and falling off. I think she does have some appeal for me, but it just doesn't do it. So unfortunately, I don't think you're going to be seeing any more of Olivia in future videos. But she made an appearance. Let's see if I can't find her a better home. She is doing great though. We got some new growth. We definitely have some that are ready to be propagated. Like this one's growing down. It's looking to root itself. It's got little aerial roots coming off. There's a lot of potential with this gal, but again, this is not my kind of plant. I'm sorry to end on a sad note. But you've been watching Plant Amateur. I'm Tara Gaines. This is Olivia Newton Jade making her final appearance on Plant Amateur. Enjoy yourself and only keep the plants you love. Oh, there's a little bit of the baby on the... Oh, there's a little bit of baby on the back there. Look at that little baby. You see it?